I have this thing called the job.
You have a job? It's at 6:30.
It's a job.
You still work at 6:30?
Yeah.
Well, Barney Frank's going to be having a town hall meeting, and he's going to be trying to get you to support a healthcare policy.
He's got my support.
It's actually going to kill the elderly and the infirm.
Right. No, I'm all set. He's got my support.
And we're actually trying to get the American people to prevent a policy which is
by
actually
exploiting the death of 6
violating.
million Jews. That's fabulous.
Fascism is something much more general than the racial purification policy of the Nazis. And it's something which, if you're not careful, you're going to end up with the United States again. That's what we're going to say.
I could see that. What's up with why the Hitler mustache on Obama?
Because he's promoting a policy which converges on fascism.
On fascism?
Yeah.
So
The healthcare policy.
So I mean, don't you think that people are going to get the wrong idea with that? Are you really going to promote your message with a Hitler mustache, or do you think you're going to turn people off?
Well, I think some people are sort of provoked by it, but look, what we're trying to do is actually prevent fascism from taking over U.S. policy, which it's currently threatening to do under the Obama administration. I think that would be a catastrophe.
The Hitler mustache is kind of throwing me off.
The policy is a fascist policy. It doesn't recognize the significance of human life. It's saying we should apply cost accounting principles. We should quantify in dollar terms the value of a life, the quality of a life, and we should make our decisions about rationing care on the basis of these dollar terms for the value of people's lives.
Do you think there's any descendants of Jewish people that
it's not about this isn't a racial policy.
Well, that's what you're going to make everybody think with a Hitler mustache.
This is a fascist policy. It's not about racial purification. It's about actually
but Jewish ain't a race. It's a religion. Now, you don't think that anybody that actually got killed by Hitler may be a descendant right now living in America, maybe homeless without health care? Do you think that person's going to see your message?
I'm concerned with preventing a policy which is going to produce fascist results, which is going to kill innocent Americans. And I think you should be concerned with that as well.
Universal health care? Well, I'm actually one of the millions of Americans without health care. I actually been here for 6 generations. I can have a heart attack right now and die, and I couldn't go to the hospital.
Well, this program is probably not going to help you out too much. He's promoting.
I seen a commercial the other day with a Canadian woman. I seen a commercial the other day with a Canadian woman saying, "Well, we have free health care in Canada, and I had to wait in line for heart surgery, so I had to come to America for this heart surgery." And the first thing that came to my mind was, well, this woman from Canada can come down to America and get a heart surgery, but I, as an American that been here for 6 generations, can't. And then when I come here and I see a Hitler mustache on Obama, it kind of, I'm actually lost for words. My hands are shaking right now, and the emotions are running so high that I'm not thinking about a fascist or a racist.
I want you to read our treatment of the policy, and you should read through it. And then you can contact me, and I would love to talk to you about a solution. What would actually solve this crisis without having to resorting to killing Americans, which will be the effect of this program if it passes. I know you're sort of emotionally charged right now. You should read.
I'm going to read it because I want to know both sides of the stories. But at the same time, I really would, just out of my opinion and my advice, I would get rid of the Hitler mustache on the first black president of the United States, because
wouldn't it be a disaster if the first black president of the United States ended up pushing a fascist policy? I'd say that would.
See, you keep calling it a fascist policy, but I don't hear nothing supporting your claim. I don't hear nothing supporting your claim that it's a fascist policy.
The essence of fascism is fiscal austerity. The basis of the healthcare reform of the Obama administration is
they said the same thing with welfare reform. But nobody says nothing about corporate welfare when we have billionaires flying on jets on the backs of taxpayer dollars. But then as soon as we cater to the poor people, it's fascist, it's racist, it's this, it's that. And to put a Hitler mustache on the first black president of the United States is not going to get, even if your message is right, you're not going to get the message through with that poster. It's nuts.
And we can talk more. if you're interested.
I'm very interested.
Okay, what's your name?
Interested. My name is Michael Santos.
Michael Santos. My name is Nico Paulson. I would actually love to talk to you more. If you, is there any way?
What time is your What time is your city hall meeting?
It's not a city hall. It's a town hall meeting. It's at Dartmouth. It starts at 6:30. Barney Frank's going to be there.
Oh, that's for the one that Barney Frank.
Yeah, exactly. That's why we came down.
Oh, you're going out there? You're going out there to protest?
Yeah, right.
I gotta bounce.
All right, I'll see you Friday.
All right.
All right, thank you for your time, Mitchell.
Thank you.